beautiful people, thanks for coming again to Evaporated Tips Kitchen. And today we are going to make something so special, very special to me, guys. It's very special. Like, I sat and I had this nostalgia of eating gâteau, in other words, in French, Beignets Croustillants. Yes, I'm like, oh my god, how am I gonna eat this? What the Ghanaians actually call dry bofrot or togbay. No matter how you pronounce it in your language, it doesn't matter, but it has this authentic taste. Oh my god. So actually I'm so excited, so I'm going to show you how I make this delicious, oh god, guys, so you can actually see this, guys. I salivate like from opening. It's still very hot, guys. It's ready. So if you want to see how I'm doing this, oh yes, do well to follow me to the kitchen. But before that, if you've not yet subscribed to this channel, please do well to click on the subscription button, click on the notification bell, and watch this video till the end, and you give the video a thumbs up, and you leave your comments in the comment section. So guys, let's dive into the making of these Beignets Croustillants. So we need 3 cups of all-purpose flour. We need 1/3 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, 2 teaspoons of instant yeast. Guys, remember there is a difference between instant yeast and active yeast. And also, if you are using fresh yeast, you need to double the amount or the quantity. We need 1 large egg. We need 2 to 4 warm water. 2 to 4 tablespoons of warm water. We need 1/4 cup of butter and half glass of warm evaporated milk. So guys, here are the ingredients we need to make our Beignets Croustillants, to make our authentic GHANA dry bofrot. So we're going to go in directly into the making process. Guys, we're going to dive in directly into the mixing of our dry ingredients. So we're going to pour in our flour into a bowl. We're going to pour in our nutmeg, we'll pour in our salt, sugar, yeast, and we mix all together. We're going to go directly into the mixing of our wet ingredients, but before that, we're going to break our egg and we're going to divide. Okay, so we want to separate the white from the yellow, and I'm going to tell you why. Yes, we are separating the white from the yellow because we are making white Beignets Croustillants and not the yellow. So if we should add the yolk of the egg, it's practically going to change the color, and that's not what we want. So here is it. We're going to pour in the yellow in our bowl. The white, I mean to say, is really small. We're going to add our warm evaporated milk. And we mix the both together. Yes, so guys, we're going to add in our butter. There are 2 ways you can add your butter. Either you add your butter to your wet ingredients, or you add your butter to your dry ingredients. So I'm going to add it to my wet ingredients, and I'll mix to have a homogeneous solution. We need to add in our dry ingredients and mix all together. Gonna mix everything together. Keep mixing to have something like a paste. You want to add your water, not all, you're going to add gently. So practically we've added about 2 tablespoons. Okay, so we're going to mix all together. Oh my god, it's getting messy right now. So we want to mix I'm gonna put this spatula down very soon. I'll mix with my hand. I think it'll be better that way. Okay guys, so as you're mixing, you can notice your dough is getting softer. So you're mixing, you want to make something like a circular motion, and we're gonna keep to rest for 10 minutes. Oh my god, you can see how soft it is. So we're going to transfer it to our working space, and we're going to divide it into the portions that we want and align it on this pan. So guys, follow me, but before that we have to pour some flour on this so it won't stick. So guys, it actually gave us 10, so it gave us 10 balls. So what we're going to do now is we're going to fold and place. So I want to fold inside, whatever way is, I will place in a pan. You do the same. So remember, you want to fold everything in, okay? And this is what we have. We have 10 balls. We're going to cover it and allow it to double in size, and we'll start the frying process. After an hour, 30 minutes, you want to see, oh my god, it has practically doubled or tripled its size. Yes, you can see. So at this stage, we're gonna turn on the heat on our oil. So guys, our oil is hot, so you want to gently place your beignet. Yes, it's hot enough. If it's too hot too, it's gonna burn. Over. I guess there are stubborn people, right? Yes. Oh my god, you can already see how it's already present. We're going to remove it already. You can look. Oh my god. Look at this beauty. Look at these beauties. Oh my god. Gâteaux croustillants. Yes. Look at these beauties, guys. Look at these beauties. I'm going to go in directly. Remember, you don't want your oil to be too hot because it's gonna burn without getting ready from inside. I'm adding 3 now, like giving it some space because we have just 3 left.